You know your alphabets, right? Do you know the musical alphabet? Well, this is the musical alphabet. It's a lot shorter than the regular alphabet. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the musical alphabet to figure out key signatures. In future videos, I'm going to be teaching songs and different key signatures. So this video you can use as a reference all the time as to how to figure out a key signature. My name's Shelley Dubois. I am a singer, songwriter, recording artist, performer, and I've been doing this for over 50 years and teaching throughout those years. And it really brings me a lot of joy when people learn how to play the guitar. So the musical alphabet. I'm going to use this and also refer to the Nashville Numbering System. Nashville Numbering System. What is that? It is a system that many musicians use because when people play together, when they're jamming or they're in a band together, they will see a key signature and they'll say, we'll start on the 5, go to the 4, and go to the 1. So everybody understands what is going on. And that's how I like to teach people, because not only will you want to just play guitar on your own, one day you might get where you want to go jamming with people. And those people might know the Nashville Numbering System. And if they don't, you could teach them. It makes it a lot easier to understand. There's a lot of people that just learn chords, but they don't understand their key signatures. And I feel it's very important to know your key signatures. So our musical alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's it. That's a very short alphabet. So when we're figuring out what a key signature is and using the Nashville Numbering System, I'm going to show you, like, for example, the key of A. Now, that is your root chord, number 1. I'm going to show you now how you count up to the 4. So you go root number 1, A, and then 2, 3, 4. So your root is A, your next chord is D, and then you're going to do the 5, which is in the next letter, which is E. So you got the 1, 4, 5. Then your relative minor is going to be F sharp minor. That's more theory for later to understand why that's going to be an F sharp in the key of A. But that's going to be your minor. So once again, in the key of A, you're going to have your root, number 1, the 4th one. So you go A, B, C, D is your 4, E is your 5, one more is the 6th, which is F sharp minor. So you got A, D, E, F sharp minor. Now, for in the case of the key of G, you're going to start here, of course, and then start over this way of counting. So once again, we're going to go 1, 4, 5, and 6. So G is your 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 5 is D, and 6 is E, your relative minor. Once again, G is your 1. 2, 3, 4 is C, 5 is D, 6 is E minor. So that's how you count in using the Nashville Numbering System. Same with every key signature. So this represents every key signature, keeping it short and sweet. If you have any questions and want more explanation, you can put in the comments below, and I'd be happy to connect with you and give you a better understanding. Or, like I say, in future videos, we will be as we learn songs, I will still reference to this. So this is as a reference video that you see the musical alphabet and how you use the Nashville Numbering System. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.